Mya Go and her family are going on a boat trip.
Let's set sail to the deep blue sea.
Mama, Dada, Sammy, Skipper, Doggy, and me.
Past an island and a ship. Far from shore, sailing out to sea. Skipper, show us some more.
It's the captain of the ship, Skipper McKipper.
All aboard my boat, the Unsinkable the Second. Ooh, I'm itching for an adventure on the high seas.
The Go family are right at home aboard Skipper McKipper's boat. Well, almost everyone.
Sometimes boats make Daddy Go's tummy feel funny.
But not today, Skipper. Whoa, just settling my sea legs.
So is Doggy Go.
Looks like Doggy Go isn't much of a sea dog. Anchors away. Time to set sail.
Ooh, the wind is picking up. Time to hoist the sails and let the wind push us on our way.
Aye, aye, Skipper.
All together, and up she goes.
Heave!
Sail hoisted, wind a-blowing, skipper a-steering, and we're off, me hearties.
Ah, smell that fresh sea air.
It looks like the fresh sea air is making Dada's funny tummy grumble and his sea legs wobble.
Wobbly Dada. Wobbly Puppy.
Mya is off to help Skipper on the top deck.
First mate Mya, you're on lookout.
What does a lookout do?
Oh, being lookout is very important. You need to keep an eye on the weather and make sure there's nothing in our way as we sail.
Fog right ahead.
Should we set course for home, Skipper? Might be for the best. A little fog never stopped me in all my years on the 7 seas.